So to convert your iPhone into iPhone X, first of all you have to jailbreak your iPhone. After jailbreaking, you have to open CD app. After opening it, you have to search for Neptune for iPhone. Neptune, Neptune for iPhone. You have to install it by clicking on modify option. It will take few seconds to install. Till then, subscribe the channel. After installations, you have to open the lock of your iPhone. So as you can see, your simple iPhone got converted into iPhone X. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. See you soon in the new video.